So in this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to export a high-resolution video from Unity directly. So if you go to the package manager and search for recorder, so there is a plugin already embedded in the package manager called Unity Recorder, and install this. Once you have the package ready, you can see from Windows, General, Recorder, you will find this recorder window menu. Go to the recorder window, and you can also change the frame rate. You can leave it to 30 frame rate. You can leave it to the manual, and we can add a recorder. In this case, we are going to try with movie, and let's see what different options we got. We are going to record from the game view, FHD actually, so 1080. Yeah, so I'm going to try to play this again. Start recording, and we can move around and also hide the human button. And stop the game and go to the folder. We will find that the movie is saved here. Okay, and we can also try to export as frames instead of movies. So we can delete this recorder. We can add a new recorder, and now this time we are going to use image sequence. And this will actually give us as a sequence in this folder. So we are going to try this. So start recording again, move around, interact with button, and close the game. Now we can go back to our folder, and we can see that all these frames are saved. So now we can actually, we should have created a folder before. Going to move all of these into this folder, and we can use this folder to create MP4 files from Premiere or any other video editing plugin.